morning, students. Now today's topic is classification of forest. Classification of forest on the basis of location and the types of climatic condition. Forests can be divided into three broad types. On the basis of location and where the forests are found, and on the basis of climatic condition. But in particular area, what type of climatic conditions are there? The forest can be divided into three broad types. First, tropical hardwood forest, Mediterranean forest, next one, and last, temperate softwood forest. In this topic, we will discuss about these three types of forest: tropical hardwood forest, Mediterranean forest, and temperate softwood forest. First of all, we will discuss about the tropical hardwood forest. Tropical hardwood forest. Tropical hardwood forest can be subdivided to two types on the basis of temperature and rainfall. On the basis of temperature and rainfall, the tropical hardwood forest can be divided into two subtypes. First one is tropical evergreen forest, and second one is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Today we will discuss about the first one, that is the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest is also known as tropical rainforest. Tropical evergreen forest is also known as tropical rainforest because they are found in tropical region where the heavy rainfall found throughout the year. Where the heavy rainfall are found throughout the year. More than 200 centimeter rainfall are found in these areas. That's why tropical evergreen forest is also known as tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest, or we can say why these forests are known as tropical evergreen forest. Why these forests known as tropical evergreen forest? These forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. These forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. At the same time. It means they shed their leaves at the different times. That's why it looks green throughout the year. So my dear students, why tropical evergreen forest is known as tropical rainforest? Because it receives the heavy rainfall throughout the year. Why tropical rainforest is known as tropical evergreen forest? Because these forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. Now, areas. In which areas they are found? First of all, in Africa. In Africa, they are found in Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, etc. If we're talking about in India, it is found in Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Kerala, north eastern states, etc. So these are the areas of tropical evergreen forest. Africa, Ivory Coast, Ghana and Nigeria, etc. In India, it is found in Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Kerala and northeastern states. Now, these forests are very tall. What is the height of these trees which are found in these areas? The hardwood trees of these forests are very tall. Very tall. Sometimes the height of these trees reach up to 60 meters. Up to 60 meters of these trees which are found in tropical evergreen forest. Next, we can say these forests are very dense forest, as well as they have the broad leaves. The specific characteristics of these forests, dense forest. Why it is known as dense forest? Because these are found the tropical areas. Tropical areas means too hot climates and too heavy rainfall. Next characteristic of these forests are, if we are talking about the example of trees, what type of trees are found in these area? Mahogany, name of trees which are found in this forest: mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber and palm, etc. If we are talking about the animals, what type of animals are found in this area? They are elephant, monkey, lemur, deer, etc. So these are the main characteristics of tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest also known as tropical rainforest. Why? As I told you, more than 200 centimeters are found in these areas. This is also known as evergreen forest. Why? Because do not shed their leaves at particular time at the same time. Areas, I am talking about the Africa and India. Different areas are there. Height almost up to 60 meter heights of these trees. Dense forest and broad leaves. Trees, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, etc. Different animals are found in these forests: elephant, monkey, lemur, deer, etc. So I hope you understood about these characteristics of tropical evergreen forest. In the next topic, we will discuss about the tropical deciduous forest. Thank you and have a nice day.